Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Microsoft Edge browser news. So first open up your Edge browser. So as you can see, I got couple of news here and it's so disturbing. How to hide this? So first click on little gear icon here, as you can see, page settings. Click on that and then scroll down a little bit. Click on content visible. Click on that and then you will see these options, headings only, content. Just click on content off. So as you can see, we successfully hide this news. So now let's close this browser and open up again and see. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.